That snaps for losers, man. I don't get involved in that stuff, but
Angel Rashad Milligan rolling out.
That's a good question.
Brandon,
Yeah,
you want one quick question?
we can't ask Rashad a question.
Hey, Rashad.
would be allowed to.
Jay-Z. So obviously you guys saw, I don't know if you guys saw, but like the accuser of the entire Jay-Z thing, she said that it wasn't true. A couple of days later, she said, "Well, maybe it wasn't Jay-Z. Maybe it was like Will Smith." Like that's not what she said. That was a joke. I'm sorry, I shouldn't joke with those things. It's like legal matters. She's like, maybe it wasn't Jay-Z. So then Jay-Z's lawyers doubled down on that. So they already had the initial statement that said this lady's lying. These are terrible allegations. I wasn't even there that night that she's speaking about. I was in like New Jersey and she's talking about something that happened in New York. What else? He said all celebrities are not the same. That's what he said originally. Then she came out and said herself, maybe it wasn't Jay-Z, a couple days later. And then after that, the lawyers doubled down on those previous things and came out with this. So so let me see what the lawyers were saying.
He's upset. He's upset that somebody would be allowed to do this. It would make a mockery of the system like this. He's upset that this distracts and dissuades real victims from coming forward. He's upset that his kids and his family have to deal with this. He's upset, and he should be upset.
Will Mr. Carter say anything more specifically about Mr. Combs? He didn't really address him in his statement, but anything since outlets and internet speculation have tried to affiliate the two of them, he didn't really in his statement specifically say anything about any of the allegations.
I mean, Mr. Carter has nothing to do with Mr. Combs' case or Mr. Combs. They knew each other professionally for a number of years, just like in all professions. People know each other. At the music awards, they support each other. If you go to the NBA All-Star game, they support each other. That's just how professions work. There is no closer association between any of them. That's also a matter of fiction. That's all that there is. He doesn't know anything about the charges or allegations against him. He has nothing to do with that case. And there's nothing more to say.
All right. So here's my thing. First things first, salute to I guess Jay and his legal team for I guess flipping things so quickly and making sure that they, the result they wanted and the truth that they wanted out in the public got out in the public. It's tough once you hit that public stain, once you get a public stain on your face, everything like that, to kind of bounce back from that. But they've done everything in their power and overtime and then some to kind of overcome this and stuff like that. So salute to them on that. The next thing I want to say is, once again, going back to the original thing, Jay, if you didn't do these things, you know what I'm saying, and you weren't close with Puff, this is another example, people. Don't be fake cool with everybody. You can't be fake cool with folks. Hold on. Let me turn this off. You can't be fake cool with people for business reasons and this and that, because being close to people and taking pictures with them for a number of years and things come out about that person, they're going to look at proximity, and perception is everything. Perception is more than darn near facts. You know what I'm saying? So if you're next to the Jeffrey Weinsteins and, you know what I'm saying, and it's different other people that are next to these people as well throughout the years. But if you're next to these Jeffrey Epsteins and the Harvey Weinsteins and the Diddy's and everything like that, and stuff like this comes out, you know what I'm saying, people are going to give the benefit of the doubt to said people and everything like that. So it's just like, it's one of the things that come with it. And you have to watch the company you keep, bro. Like, it matters. People act like stuff doesn't matter. It matters. The little things matters. The same way that you wouldn't just do an interview and stop for an interview from a random person that's holding an iPhone that's not paparazzi. It's the same reason why you wouldn't or shouldn't just stand next to everybody for a number of years, for a professional look when you guys aren't really real friends in real life. If what the lawyer is saying is true. The lawyer right here is pretty much saying they aren't real friends. They're just professional colleagues. And so that's that. Just watch the company you keep is my message with that. I do want to do a random college shout out. Right now, I'm playing the LSU game. I think they're probably winning by a lot right now. Things of that sort. I want to shout out Caitlin Gilbert really rejuvenating that team so far this season. I want to shout out Keone Miller. She's going crazy up there at Rutgers. So I want to shout out those.
That steps for losers, man. I don't get involved in that stuff, but.
And Rashad Milligan rolling out.
That's a good question.
We can't ask Rashad a question.
Hey, Rashad.